Now here you see there is a network of resistors given. We are supposed to find the effective resistance between A and B. And it is also given each resistor value is R ohms. You are supposed to find the effective resistance between A and B. See, at the first side, you will not simply get this network in terms of series or in parallel. You cannot approach it directly to be in terms of series and parallel. Obviously, you don't see anywhere that resistors are connected in series or parallel now. So how to proceed? What is our objective? To find effective resistance between A and B. That you should not forget. Now you can see there is a delta obviously here. So you can convert it into a star form. For that you consider this node 1 and node 2 and node 3, and to convert it into star, let's say that this is the star network. You call this as R1, call this resistor as R2, this resistor as R3. We know how to find out R1, R2, R3. Okay, now we know how to calculate R1, R2 and R3. It's given the value of each resistor is R ohms. Resistance is R ohms each. This R1 will be equal to, note that this is converting delta to star. So R1 is equal to R into R squared by the total resistors, which is 3R. So you will get R by 3. Similarly, R2 will be R by 3 because everything is R there. So this is also R2, that is also R3. So now what you can do, remove this part. This delta is taken off here. Now you see the circuit has become much simple. Only thing R1, R2, R3, everything is R by 3. So this is R by 3. This is also not necessary here. This is R by 3. This is R. This is R. This is R by 3. Okay. That is R here. Here also R, here also R, here also R. Now R plus R by 3 series. So 4R by 3, one resistance. R plus R by 3, 4R by 3. So here 4R by 3, here also 4R by 3, because the two resistors are in series. Okay, 4R by 3, here also 4R by 3. This is R, this is R, this is R. Okay. Now you can see inside there is balanced Wheatstone's bridge. See here. Because you see 4R by 3, 4R by 3, RR, 4R by 3. So ratio of the resistances will be equal. So this is balanced Wheatstone's bridge. In parallel with this you have R. Therefore remove this. No current will flow through this. So R and R in series. So 2R. 4R by 3, 4R by 3 in series. So 8R by 3. These two are in parallel. Of course, in parallel with that you have this small r. So this and this in parallel, because you want to find effective resistance between A and B. Therefore 1 by R effective is 1 by 2R plus 3 by 8R plus reciprocal of this 1 by R. So overall 8R, 4 plus 3 plus 8, so 15 by 8R. Therefore R effective between A and B is 8R by 15. Effective resistance between A and B is 8R by 15, of course ohm. So here what we have done, we have converted delta form into star form. The problem got simplified and we arrived at the answer.